Hello, this is Anthony Reed, certified hypnotist. Never listen to this recording while driving or operating heavy machinery, as this is a powerful hypnotic recording and staying alive and safe is top priority. Toward the end of this recording, you will be given suggestions to fall into a deep and revitalizing sleep. So be sure to listen to this recording only at night, when you're fully ready for bed and nothing will disturb you. If you're under medical care, please consult with your doctor before undergoing hypnosis. Thank you for listening, and let's begin. Now taking a deep breath all the way in and release and relax. That's right. Now, as you listen to me and continue to breathe in that way, and notice certain sensations, you can continue to become more fully absorbed with the sound of my voice or the spaces between my words while I talk to you. And as you listen to the sound of my voice, you can become curious about how we learn to speak. Most people have had the experience of learning languages at school and know how difficult that can be. Yet without any formal lessons, children learn to understand adults and to use words and phrases, and learn how the way something is said and the order the words are spoken in all influences the meaning of the communication. In the same way, that child will be born not knowing that it separates from the rest of the world. Then, one day, the child will begin trying to reach for the hands they see in front of their face, with the hand in front of their face, and discover that the hand they are reaching for is the same as the hand they are reaching with. And as they reach and touch different body parts and different objects, they begin to learn what is them and what isn't. They begin to explore themselves as a being, touching a foot with the hand, touching the foot to the mouth, learning, discovering. Yet even before this, they had already mastered how to breathe, how to move arms and legs and the eyes and the head. They had already mastered the highly complex tasks of synchronizing muscle tension and relaxation to move the muscles in the body. And this was done without any training or lessons. They just use that part of themselves that knows more about you than you do. And over time, they learn to refine their skill and make more accurate movements and actions. And the unconscious mind is the part of you that while you breathe and relax and drift deeper into this trance state, can help you to achieve many things. It is the part of you that takes new learning that you receive consciously and makes it instinctive. Like when a child learns to walk, they first learn, then they consciously forget. Anyone that has tried to walk consciously will know how uncomfortable it truly feels. In the same way that anyone that has tried to consciously move an arm knows how difficult this is, as it happens unconsciously. And as you now relax deeper with each breath you take, you can begin to get a sense of a chair that appears to be familiar, yet you know you've never seen it before. And you can get a sense of relaxing deeply into that chair and closing your eyes. And as you do, a part of you can draw upon all of those natural resources and skills, And the part of you that has enabled you to achieve so much and make so much continued achievement automatic and not even realize how that part of you will do all that it is capable of doing for your benefit and the benefit of others around you. Now, as you listen to me and continue to breathe in that way, and notice certain sensations, you can continue to become more fully absorbed with the sound of my voice or the spaces between my words, and you can wonder whether you truly know which hand is the right hand and which hand is the left, and whether you will still be right about which hand is left if you had the hand you thought was left put right behind your back and wondered which hand is left in front of you, and the hand that was right becomes the one that's left, while the hand you thought was left is actually right behind you. And the hand that is on the right side for me is on the left side for you, and the hand that is on the left side for me is on the right side for you. And you can remember to forget what isn't important to remember, while at the same time you can forget to remember those things that you don't need to remember, being aware of thoughts that are left unknown, that the right thoughts are forgotten. And you can go deeper into the right state of mind as the conscious part of you is left to think about the other thoughts and sensations. And you can imagine a familiar, comfortable seat in your mind that you've never seen before. And take some time to relax down into that chair. And as you relax down into that chair, you can get a sense of closing your eyes and going deeper into this trance as you continue to listen to me. In a moment, I'm going to relax you more completely. In a moment, I'm going to begin counting backwards from 10 to 1. The moment I say the number 10, you will, in your mind's eye, see yourself at the top of a small set of stairs. The moment I say the number 9, and each additional number, you will simply move down those stairs, relaxing more completely. At the base of the stairs is a large feather bed with a comfortable feather pillow. The moment I say the number 1, you will simply sink into that bed, resting your head on that feather pillow. Number 10, eyes closed at the top of those stairs. 10, 9, relaxing and letting go. 8, sinking into a more comfortable, calm, peaceful position. 7, 6, going way down. 5, moving down those stairs, relaxing more completely. 4, 3, breathe in deeply now. 2, on the next number, number 1, simply sinking into that bed, becoming more calm, more peaceful, more deeply relaxed. 1. Sinking into that feather bed now, let every muscle go limp and loose as you sink into a more calm, peaceful state of relaxation and trance.
Gratitude is the most powerful of all emotions when it comes to the law of attraction. You always get more what you're grateful for. Being grateful for wealth creates more wealth. And being grateful for your personal connections with others creates better, stronger connections and allows new connections to manifest. Knowing and understanding this great secret is a huge game changer in the way you think. Your inner mind always gives you more of whatever you focus on. That's one of the main traits of the inner mind. If you focus on happiness, you'll become happier. But if you focus on something negative, you'll also attract that negative thing to you as well. One more thing before we move on. If you want something in your life that you don't presently have, you can imagine that you do have it already. Focus on it, and even be grateful for it as if you already had it, and it will come to you so much faster than ever. So now that you understand that secret, let's practice attracting your desired abundance right now. I'm going to begin a statement that I want you to finish in your own mind. Then I want you to focus your answer for a short while and imagine it in as much detail as possible, as if you were actually experiencing it. Ready? Here we go. I am grateful for... Now you fill in the rest of that statement and imagine it until you hear me speak again. Remember, if you don't already have it, you can be grateful for it. Good. Now let's do it with something different. Ready? I am grateful for... You're doing great. And now one more time. I am grateful for... Wonderful. You've now begun your strong attracting process for 3 things you desire. Continue focusing on these 3 things by using your imagination as much as possible each day until they come to you. Remember that this process is a trait of your own inner mind, so it's not a matter of if it will happen. It's a matter of when it will happen. Be vigilant and continue your practice until you attain your desires. You are successful. You are an attractor of abundance. You are the creator.
That's right. Now, if you are listening to this at night, and if you want to fall into a deep and restful sleep, then you will now begin to fall into a deep, restful, and restorative sleep. Understand that while you're dreaming tonight, your subconscious mind will be processing and incorporating every word I have said to you so far. And each time you hear these words, my suggestions become more and more powerful for you. Each and every time you listen to these words, these suggestions become more and more a part of who you are. Each and every time you listen to this, you become more and more the person of your choosing. A relaxed, comfortable, confident person. And when you awaken in the morning, you will be well rested, refreshed, revitalized, and feel wonderful, ready to make the most of the new day ahead.